Hey everybody, happy January. I have 3 new programs on the breath source that I can't wait to share with you. The first program is how you go from mouth breathing to nasal breathing in your cardio and receive all the benefits of nasal breathing while you're in stressful situations of cardio. You're gonna love it, it's easy. The next are my brain breaks. So if you only have 2 to 5 minutes and you're having one of those days or you're having a great day and wanna make it better, brain breaks are great. Balancing the 2 prefrontal cortexes, keeping the heart rate down, metabolizing fat as you move through your day. And my Breathe, Love, Live program. It's an oldie but goodie. It's great for beginners. It's a 10-day program. I'd love to kickstart your year with Breathe, Love, Live. So I'll see you on the breath source and enjoy the rest of your January.